Hi friends! A short and sweet tutorial today. I have a separate slow motion tutorial on how to create a magic ring, and you can find it here if you need it. Once you created the magic ring, now it's time to do a single crochet in the ring. To do one, first, insert your needle inside the ring hole, hook the yarn, pull the needle back outside, yarn over, and pull through. You have now completed your first single crochet in the magic ring. Let's do a couple more. So insert your needle inside the hole, hook the yarn, bring the needle back outside the hole, yarn over, and pull through. Again, let's do it one last time. We have completed 3 single crochet in the magic ring so far. The pattern you are using will tell you how many you need to do. To close the magic ring, simply hold the last stitch you did for stability and pull the beginning tail gently. The ring hole will close and you can now move on to the next round. Please drop me a like and let me know if you find this tutorial helpful. Next week, I'll be releasing a basic tutorial on how to do a single crochet. Hope to see you there.